Hello everyone, in this video I'll be going over my iOS application Dari Learner. Dari Learner helps you learn Dari in an exciting, educational way. Think of it as the Quizlet of Dari. It is a free and before all fun way of becoming fluent in Dari. So my incentive of making this app initially was to become fluent in Dari because most of my relatives can only speak Dari and cannot speak any English, such as my grandmother. I quickly realized that there may be a lot of others out there that are in similar shoes as me or just want to freshen up their Dari. So I founded Dari Learner and released it out on the App Store. It currently has a total of 350 downloads as well as 15 daily users. It also has 5-star reviews on the App Store. I utilized Firebase for both authentication as well as all my storage, and I use AdMob for serving all of my ads. I'm currently in the process of implementing mediation with bidding. I also created my own API that is currently hosted on Heroku. This API was made using Flask. It serves all of the vocabulary that the app needs right through the web. Alright, so next I'll be launching the application on my phone and be sharing my screen using Let's View. So let me open up Dari Learner on my phone, where we're first presented with the main screen or the learn screen, where we can either pick a module, for example the greetings module or introducing yourselves. You can also learn numbers, so let's just try learning some numbers. For example, I know it means 9, but if you didn't know, you can flip the card around and check what it means. In my case, I knew what it meant, so I'm going to flip it to the right. Now the next card will be yak. Let's say I didn't know what it meant. I'm going to turn around. It means 1. And if I want to save it for later and keep practicing it, I'm actually going to bookmark this card. Then I'm going to go back to the main screen, go to the Saved Flashcards option, and it'll appear right here. If we try a different module, for example, the greetings module, let me bookmark this one, swipe, practice a couple more, bookmark that one, bookmark it, and then go back to the main screen, go to Save Flashcards. Now I'll have all of those flashcards still saved to my Save Flashcards, and I can practice them. Once I feel like I'm pretty familiar with them, I can take them off the bookmark and then swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, and then if I reshuffle these cards, it should not be here anymore. So now we only have 3 cards. If we go back to the main screen, another thing you can do is go through the glossary. So let's say I just want to view all the cards, or I want to search through the entire glossary. For example, I want to find a word or sentence with hello. I can look for hello, and then there's either salam or hello my friend. I can look for anything else I'd want to, for example, tashakor. So right here, I'm fine, thank you, or just thank you. If I am done with it, go back to flashcards. Last but not least, once I'm pretty familiar with some of the cards and I'm ready to go through some of the quizzes, I can hop over to the first module. So now I'm presented with some quizzes. I've already finished the Salam quiz, so I'm gonna go to the Ballet quiz. Now here, we're presented with more of a Who Wants to Become a Millionaire, like that kind of show, that kind of quiz. So now I need to figure out what the right answer is for Ballet. I know Ballet means yes, so I'm gonna click yes on this one. And there's a little sound you get for getting it right. If we press next, let's say I didn't know what this meant, so I'll say da means I have to go, which was wrong. So you get the point of this. I can keep going. It actually means 10, and I can keep on going, and eventually I can finish this quiz, and then I'll move on to the next step, and I can try some of the other ones. And once we're done with that, we can move on to checking out your profile. So right now we only finished the first quiz. So if I go to my profile, I'm presented with my picture that I chose. I could choose another one, but I'm happy with mine. And then I can scroll through some of the achievements I've done. So I've only finished the first quiz, so I only get an achievement for the first quiz. So in this case, I finished the Salam quiz, and it says congratulations on completing your first lesson. Another thing I want to develop is a statistics page where I'll take some of the stats of the users, how long they've spent on practicing and so on, and display them right here, but I haven't worked on that yet. Now last but not least, we have a settings menu where you can request to me, the developer, to add some vocabulary. So you would type in a word in English. So we already have salam, but that's the easiest one. So let's do hello in English, which is salam. And then also do the pronunciation, which is funny. It already says salam. It's the salam. Damn it. Salam. There we go. And then I can submit it, and this will actually go to the back end of my Firebase application, and I can go through the list and see if any of the users want some new vocabulary to be added, and then I can add it for them. And then another thing we can do is just send me a message. For example, there's a bug or just, some kind of improvement or something you'd like to see in the app, you can message me and I would check that out. Then we also have the terms, the privacy policy, the current version of the app, and then also some background information about Dari Learner and some anticipated features. You can always also invite your friends and log out. So I guess I can try logging out just to show that screen, so you can actually log in using your Apple ID, an email, or the phone number. In my case, I'll just do the Apple one since it's the easiest one, and I'll just log back into my account using my passwords, and it'll just automatically sign up. Easy as that. And that's pretty much the gist of it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope everything made sense. This unfortunately, this is not my GitHub, but if you like the application, you can try it out. It's currently in the App Store. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.